first I want to fix this curly. I don't know from where.
Your hair used to be more straight?
Yes, because always so straight, always. And I don't want to be just white, but I don't want to fix like each like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Okay.
Sounds
Yes.
good?
Yeah.
Okay,
So good.
I will give you quickly the breakdown of the price, and if you're happy, we'll start right away.
Okay.
Yeah?
Thank you.
You again, thank you. How it feels?
Yeah, good.
Good?
I'm so happy. The color is wonderful.
Yeah?
Really nice.
I mean, look at the roots. This is my favorite part usually.
Yes.
خلي أقرب لهون شوي. Get closer. You see, it's
We can
the
see
gray,
some
the,
shine, but we
the
cannot
gray
see.
is there,
Yeah.
but it's not there. That's
Yeah.
my favorite part.
Yeah. It's
How
amazing.
beautiful is gray.
Really.
That's what we call the gray blending.
Yeah.
So when you have roots growing now in another, starting to show in another 2 months,
Yeah.
not 2 months, sorry, when your roots starting to grow in another 2 weeks,
Yeah.
the gray will come out. The gray, the color that's done today will be washed out tiny bit.
Uh-huh.
So the gray visibility of today's roots will start to show a little bit more, but that's a preparation for the next growth. So when the next roots grow, this one already in the right spot, bam, to blend.
Yeah.
You will not see any line. Okay? When your roots grow for another month and a half or 2 months, you won't feel like there is something that's bothering
So
you.
good.
Okay? The texture,
Yeah.
I mean, your
It's
main issue was-
yeah, I hate that texture. Yeah. Some parts curly, some parts straight.
this should be one of the
And
softest
frizzy, yeah.
feeling ever you had.
It's so good, so good.
And we managed with the highlight to boost a little bit of lightness. Then we
Yeah.
came back with a beigey color. It's not ashy, it's not gray, it's
Yeah.
not warm. It's just a nice combination between
Yeah.
3 of them.
So natural. Looks so good.
Even the front where you had the gray more visible, look at that.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Beautiful.
I'm gonna get you to stand up so we can capture the color.
We can see so soft.
Yeah, the texture is, the antifreeze always.
You cannot imagine.
People when they do the antifreeze, like, I never seen my hair soft like this. Look down, yes. Can you turn? Okay, lift your hand.
It's so good. It's like my hair when I was young.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good. That's
So
a
healthy.
good sign.
Yeah,
That's a
so
good sign.
healthy.
Thank you.
So good,
Thank you for
so
your
good.
patience. I
Thank
mean, we
you
did
so
this in
much.
2-3 hours, which is
Yeah,
that's a
it
very
was so
good,
fast.
very good speed.
Thanks for all of them. They are amazing.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
you, of
You look great.
course.
You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.